Hi and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you get notified when my next easy way tutorial is out. Hi and welcome to my new video. As you all see, I'm pretty new on YouTube, and when I was starting my first videos I was wondering how all that YouTubers that I watched make that subscribe button to pop up in their videos. So today I will show you how you can make your own subscribe button animation for your YouTube videos. I will do it in Filmora9. This is program where I edit all my videos for YouTube. So open your Filmora and first thing you need to do is go to titles and select any of the titles. You can press and hold your left mouse button and drag your title to video track down. Or you can press on this plus sign and it will add it automatically. You can also right click and menu will appear where it says apply with keyboard shortcut. So I will delete this one, we need only one. So as you see here, the length of this title is 3 seconds. So right click on your title and select duration. Here set it to 5 seconds. Select OK. Now double click on your title and here select advanced. We need to delete this title, so you can do it here or here. Just press left mouse button and press del key on your keyboard. Now go here and select add shape. Select this square. And first thing we will go down and where it says shape fill, click here on this color and change it to red. Select OK. Now we will resize this to the shape we want. I think this will be OK. As you see, we don't have sharp edges and we want them. So left click on the shape and you see this yellow square here. Drag it all to the left. And now we have sharp edges, just like we want. Now we need to enter subscribe text here. So again, select it and enter your text here. Caps lock. First change your text to something more realistic, so we will take Arial. And as you see, the text is small, so we'll change its size to 24. So when you're done, press here OK and go to animation. These first few are for text animation, as you see. So go down and I will take this boom animation. You can select animation that you like the most, and when you're done, select this save as custom. Here name it and select OK. Select OK here. Now you have saved your subscribed animation, so whenever you open Filmora it will be here. So we will delete this, and when you open Filmora, go to titles and under custom, here it is. So let's see how it look in the video. I will just take some video I downloaded from Pexels and add it to the track. So now we will add our subscribe animation. So select it and drag it to the place where you want to this animation appear in your video. So let's say here, and now let's see how it look like. So this is how you create your own subscribe button animation in Filmora 9. If this video helped you, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. And I see you all in my next video. Bye.